When I moved here, patches of daylilies were planted in all of the gardens. I've come to like this one with its apricot pink color and large petals. The clouds this evening were mimicking the lily's color, making it truly radiant. I found a recipe for something I can best describe as a baked chocolate oatmeal pancake. It takes some time to make, but it's so good I can't have it often enough. The rain has stayed away for a few days, and I couldn't ask for a better evening to make a new lightning bug photo. I still struggle with picking an angle. 35mm isn't as wide as it seems concerning landscape photography. The lightning bugs also thought it was a fabulous night and put on a great show. I didn't record any video today, but I spent the day with my mom. It's been a minute since we've been able to see each other. We had tea and snacks and watched The Blacklist all evening. Later, I set up a scene with those ancient things called Blu-ray discs, as I didn't have Netflix yet. To add a little interest, I lit some candles and practiced dragging the shutter with the flash. A quick tip for this technique is to turn off any in-camera stabilization. It causes the light trails to be straight lines that change direction abruptly, rather than smooth trails. It's July 4th and the fireworks are on full display. I get a decent show from my backyard. I took 2 photos this evening. One was my usual lightning bug photo, and I think it turned out well. As an afterthought, I pointed the camera towards the city and let it snap for a while. The fireworks looked pretty cool, but the biggest surprise was how many lightning bugs appeared in the resulting image. I thought they had all turned in for the night. my garden cat stickers are coming along. I finished the cats and I'm adding some flower accessories. I think Autumn is ready for me to take a break and give her some attention though. It's a great evening, and I've spent enough time working on digital flowers. Let's have a look at how my real flowers are doing. There wasn't that much lightning bug action the previous evening, but this evening, wow, I got one of my favorite photos. Something that makes cooking or baking enjoyable is when you've made the recipe often enough you have it mostly memorized. Everything comes together a lot faster and it switches from being a stressful activity to a relaxing and rewarding one. I'm putting the finishing touches on my garden cats and I'm ready to call them done. To add to the nice finish of this week, some rain came through. It cleared by the evening and I had one more lightning bug photo session. Thank you all so much for joining me this week, and I hope to see you back next week.